Welcome to the Comprehensive Multimodal Corridor Plan virtual engagement site. In this video, you will learn how to use our online mapping tool to provide input on the transportation network in your community. Your feedback will help develop corridor plans to improve how people and goods move throughout the San Diego region. Interactive maps are available for each comprehensive multimodal corridor plan. The About icon tells you more about the corridor and explains how to use the map to share your input. Let's take a look at the map. Along the top of the map, there are a variety of marker types you can use to leave your feedback on the map, including environmental, traffic, transit, bike, pedestrian, goods movement, and general comments. To leave a comment, drag and drop the appropriate marker to a place on the map that needs improving. In the Activities section, you can view all interactions with the map. Click on a specific interaction to share on social media, answer survey questions, or use Street View. Thanks for watching.